So hello everyone, today we are going to do hand vitiligo treatment. This patient already did skin grafting on his hands like you can see, and he didn't get any results on it. So this patient already did skin grafting and he already did like 2-3 surgeries, but he didn't get any result. So after that he contacted us for the treatment, and now we are going to do vitiligo pigmentous process on the patient. Like you can see, when we do pigmentous process on hands, the pigments are a little bit darker, like 30-40%. The pigments can look a little darker when they are fresh, but once it's healed, it looks definitely like skin matching. So you don't see any spot on it, and the skin matches 90-100% depending on the tendency, the ink. And so as you want to see before and after the healing result, you can just WhatsApp us on the given number. So as when we do the process, the skin can look a little bit darker, so that's why we don't upload the pictures directly on the video. We upload these pictures and videos after healing, so you can understand better how it looks after healing, like after 2-3 months. So whenever you want to see the before and after pictures, like how it has healed after 2-3 months, you can just WhatsApp us on the given number, so we can send you before and after healing videos, healing pictures, so you can see it, so you can see and decide whether you wanted to go for the treatment or not. But at present, this is the best treatment in entire world. Like, it is fast, it's safe, it doesn't involve lot of pain, and it's the safest way to hide or camouflage your vitiligo patches. And since you know we are doing this process since 2008 or 7 something, so we are the best in this industry of cosmetic tattooing. So far we have done almost 3,000 to 4,000 patients from around India, and people have also traveled from abroad for just doing this treatment with us, because they believe in us and they know what kind of work we do, and they have also been promoted by some skin specialist doctors, and people see our work, people know like what we are doing, and we are helping people since 12 to 13-14 years now, and we are helping people with vitiligo and any skin problems, like people if they're having scars, they're having burned skin, and people having many type of different pigmentation process. So we fix that while doing the pigmentous process, because whatever we use, like the pigments we use, are completely natural. They are plant based pigments, and they are just made for vitiligo skin. So that's why you don't have any allergic reactions, you don't have any skin problems. You will just have a beautiful healed pigmented skin, so you don't have to face any problems. So if you have any vitiligo skin or any problem, you can just WhatsApp us on the given number, so you can fix your skin. So now you can see like the skin is a bit lighter, so we are using lighter vitiligo pigments. So whenever the skin is lighter and the skin holds tendency is better, we use lighter pigments. So it depends on the pigments also, where to use light pigments, where to use dark pigments. So like and subscribe to our channel, so you can get more videos like this, and share this video to your loved ones so they can fix their problems.